Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. We'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to buy a property in the UK in 2023, specifically in London. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to invest, this video will provide you with the essential information you need. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's briefly discuss the current real estate market in the UK. As of 2023, the market is showing steady growth, but keep in mind that the prices may vary depending on the location and property type. Now, let's jump into the steps involved in purchasing a property in the UK. The first step is to determine your budget and goal. Assess your financial situation, including your savings, income, and any loans you may need. Remember, buying a property involves more than just the purchase price. You'll also need to consider additional costs like stamp duty, solicitor fees, and mortgage arrangement fees. And borrowing from banks to buy a house will most likely end up being much more costly for you, as the mortgage provider prefers the buyer to invest at least some of his own. Step 2 is to determine how will you buy the property, full cash or mortgage. Deciding that will lead you to the next steps. Step 3 is to determine if you are getting the first-time buyer benefits. This allows you up to gaining 95% mortgage and paying only 5% of the property. However, it only applies if the property is for residential purposes. If it's for business or buy-to-let, then you can get up to 75% from the mortgage of the final property price. The rest of the amount needs to be provided by you. Be that your own savings, or a gift from a friend or relative. But if you are planning to provide that deposit amount from a loan, then it might cause some serious issue processing mortgage, because as we mentioned earlier, the mortgage provider wants to see your own investment here too. Step 4 is finding a solicitor. I know it sounds too soon to get a solicitor even before finding a property, but it is that important. You can change the solicitor at any time, so it's not carved in stone. Step 5 is to find yourself a reputed mortgage broker. Finding the right solicitor and mortgage broker can help you avoid a load of issues acquiring the property, so make sure to do your research finding them. Engaging both solicitor and mortgage brokers won't cost you a thing till you engage them into looking into properties. So just have to find your perfect pair and have a verbal contract with them so you can use their names to your letting agents. A solicitor will guide you through the legal aspects of buying a property. They will handle tasks such as property searches, contract reviews, and liaising with the seller's solicitor. It's essential to choose a solicitor with experience in property transactions to ensure a smooth process. While on the other hand, your mortgage broker will look through every possible lender to find you the best deal in the country. Step 6 is ensuring the source of your funds, the aforementioned fund that you intend to use to pay the deposit. You need to show it to your lawyer so he can, in a later stage, prove it to your mortgage provider and your seller and prove that the buyer is legitimate. The next step, Step 7, is for you to do your research and find the right property. Now that you know your budget, it's time to start searching for your ideal property. Utilize online platforms such as property websites and real estate apps to explore different listings. Consider factors like location, size, amenities, and proximity to schools, transportation, and other essential services. You can engage multiple letting agents with details of what you are looking for, and they can look for you as well. Remember, you will need to provide them your basic details, and of course your mortgage broker and solicitor details too. Next step, Step 8, is to view the selected property and finalize one. Please make sure the property you are selecting is ticking all the needs you have in mind. And then offer them a price. You can do your own research before offering them a price, and always make sure to offer the price via the letting agent that found you the house. If you found it on the web, your own them, ask them for their solicitors or agent's details, because that way your solicitor can get the best and most details of the property there is and help you secure a safe property. Step 9 is to make an offer. Once you've found the property you want and have your mortgage pre-approval, it's time to make an offer. Your estate agent or solicitor will communicate your offer to the seller. Be prepared for negotiations, and remember to set a limit within your budget. Once the offer is accepted, you move on to the next step. Step 10 would be a memorandum of sale. Once that's accepted by your solicitor to theirs and it's agreed upon, it establishes that both parties accepted. To get that, your property letting agents will ask you to provide your own details, solicitor's details, and mortgage broker details initially, and might ask for further details if necessary, and get that sweet paper of memorandum of sale. Then they will take a mortgage D.I.P. decision in principle, and your mortgage broker can be unleashed to find you the best offer out there. Step 11 is securing a mortgage. Unless you're buying the property with cash, you'll likely need a mortgage. Meet with a mortgage broker who can assess your financial situation, discuss your options, and help you secure the best mortgage deal. They will guide you through the application process, documentation requirements, and affordability assessments. Once the DIP is issued, your solicitor will engage with the seller's solicitor, and they will work out all the legal issues. It can take up to 3 months, and being patient during this is crucial. However, make sure to do your end of things as soon as you can. You can check on things with your solicitor, but it's best not to rush them too much so they can do a thorough job. Step 12 is to conduct an independent property surveys. To ensure that the property is in good condition and worth the investment, it's crucial to conduct surveys. There are different types of surveys available, ranging from basic condition reports to comprehensive structural surveys. These surveys will highlight any issues or repairs that may affect the property's value or your decision to purchase. This costs around £350, but it's worth it as it comes with a warranty from the surveyor end. If you find any unmentioned damage or need to repair, it will be covered by them. Step 13 is to finalize the purchase. Congratulations! You're almost there. This step involves finalizing the purchase. Your solicitor will handle the necessary paperwork, including the exchange of contracts and the transfer of funds. You'll also need to arrange for building insurance and notify utility companies of your upcoming move. Step 14, or the final step, is completion and moving in. On completion day, your solicitor will transfer the remaining funds to the seller and hand you the keys, and you will be a proud house owner in the United Kingdom in 2023. In 2023, the property market in London continues to exhibit variations in prices across different areas. Here are some of the most and least expensive areas to buy properties in London. Most expensive areas. Kensington and Chelsea. This borough is renowned for its luxury properties and is consistently one of the most expensive areas in London. It features upscale neighbourhoods like Kensington, Chelsea, and Knightsbridge. Westminster. Located in the heart of London, Westminster is home to iconic landmarks such as Buckingham Palace and the Houses of Parliament. The area offers high-end properties and prestigious addresses like Mayfair and Belgravia. Camden, known for its vibrant cultural scene and popular markets like Camden Market, this borough attracts affluent buyers. Areas like Primrose Hill and Hampstead offer upscale properties with beautiful surroundings. Richmond upon Thames. Situated along the River Thames, Richmond upon Thames offers a mix of natural beauty and elegant properties. The area is known for its parks, such as Richmond Park, and its charming riverside houses. Hammersmith and Fulham. This borough has seen significant development in recent years, particularly in areas like Fulham and Chelsea. It offers a mix of luxury apartments, townhouses, and period properties. Least expensive areas. Barking and Dagenham. Located in East London, this borough generally offers more affordable housing options compared to other areas in the city. It has experienced regeneration efforts and provides good value for money. Newham, another East London borough. Newham has seen considerable investment in recent years, particularly with the development of the Olympic Park. It offers a range of properties at relatively affordable prices. Bexley, situated in southeast London, Bexley offers a suburban feel with more affordable housing options. It features green spaces, good schools, and easy access to central London via train services. Havering, located on the outskirts of London, Havering offers a mix of suburban and rural areas. It provides more affordable options, especially in towns like Romford and Hornchurch. Croydon, situated in South London, Croydon has undergone significant redevelopment and offers a range of properties at relatively affordable prices. It has good transport links and amenities. Keep in mind that property prices can fluctuate, and this list is a general overview based on the current market trends. It's always advisable to research and consult with local estate agents to get the most up-to-date information on property prices in specific areas of interest. I hope this helps you on your journey, and to help others, please share and subscribe. We highly value any feedback and comments. Until next time.